Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I'm back with another video on how to easily log into your Chase credit card account right from your computer. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account for Chase Bank, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in creditcards.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the Chase credit cards homepage right here on the next page. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login page. In the right hand side, you'll be able to see the login area. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box. Now, once you're done, head over to the next field. Type in your password correct for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your username and your password, click on this Remember Me box. And next time you try to log into your credit card account, you won't have to type in your information since the device will remember it for you. But remember to leave it unchecked before logging into your account if you're using a public device or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your username and your password, you can click on this link right here that says Forgot Username/Password beneath the sign in button. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to look for your username and reset your password to a new one. If you're not enrolled into online access yet for Chase, you can click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link and follow the instructions. After you're done typing in your credentials and it is correct, you can click on the sign in button in blue, and that is how you'll be able to get access to your credit card account for Chase Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.